from my 5.80 mile road walk around set. Took a shower and now doing sweet eats. We got Ghiradelli bittersweet chocolate premium baking bar. So a bar of baking chocolate. And so I'm thinking, the question with a candy bar such as this, for me, Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers, is Seattle, is how much do I eat? And then the serving size is, one piece is 70 calories. So maybe I'll do 2 pieces just for this sweet eats video today, Friday, 7 June 2024. All right. It looks like it's already gotten broken up a bit. See if I can. So here's part of a piece. It's a little bit more. And we'll see if I can break. Which I guess is like a corresponding question for my writing stuff would be, how much do I write? So it might be, so it would be 140 if it was perfectly square, so maybe 150 calories. All right. And this is bittersweet chocolate. I actually enjoy bittersweet, semi-sweet. So far as I can recall, famous last words. This is before I go into this. Again, this is Ghiradelli brand. Here's what it looks like. So I was out on my walk around. Ooh, that's good. And a page and the life of my handwritten ones take, 20 to 30 minutes approximately. I have the 5 minutes timed rights, the 10 minutes time rights. What would a 15-minute time right be? And can I think of anybody who would satisfy that length, right? That'd be like, what, 3/4 of a page? Like a pair of capris, not a pair of shorts, not a pair of short shorts, not a pair of pants, but a pair of capris. 3/4 length. So I could write about Ilya Kurun and the Cadbury egg that set the world to Twitter. I just went and watched him compete in person. I had my Hawkeye vision watching him for 2 days. 1.5 day and 1 like preliminaries and final session. So that'd be a good exercise. And can I make it? A pair of capris. Might require a little extra sunscreen for the legs beneath the capris that aren't covered by pants. But capris have a place in this world. I quite enjoy capris. This is very good chocolate. I'll put it as my number 2 behind white chocolate. $100 out of 10. That's excellent. So this is not going to go in my eating the entire candy bar place because I did not eat the entire bar. It is a sweet eat still. See, bittersweet is still sweet. That was it. That was A plus plus. Yes. A plus plus.